welcome back to our channel. So today is a bit of a different one. I am going to be unboxing my Carpmaster AIR Unhooking Mat. I'm buzzing about this. So I actually won this in a competition, Capital Carp Competitions. I bought one ticket for this one, and the ticket was 39p. So I basically got this for 39p. I was allowed to choose from 3 different ones. I think one was a tracker one. Not sure what the other one was, but if you know me, then you know that I love fox. So obviously I'm going to go for the fox one. Here he is. Quite heavy. Hope I didn't pop that one. God. So it comes all nicely neatly packaged in a bag. Camo, my favourite. So we actually won a bait boat for 39p the other day. Well, last month maybe. He entered one ticket for 39p and won a Ridge Monkey bait boat. So I've been gagging to win something. Sweating out here doing this. Comes all rolled up like this. No idea what I'm doing, but let's see. Velcro straps here. So it's quite big. Massive actually. It also comes with a foot pump, so you don't need to go out and buy one of those. That is big. Right, so that is it before it's blown up. I'm going to get it blown up and show you what it's like. So I finally done it. What should have took 5-10 minutes took me half an hour because I messed up. I didn't know what I was doing, jumped in, but here we go. Here it is. What an absolute beast. Huge. So we got there in the end. Absolutely love it. It's really thick skinned, so that ain't gonna pop. Also, you can have it this way, I believe. Obviously you've got to take the bottom bit out, and you can have it this way, round, for them larger carp, so you can get your hands in under. Voila! Love it, absolutely love it. The only thing I will say is it should have come with instructions. Now you know it's going to be thick, because how hard is it to blow something up? But I was getting confused with the nozzles, can't lie. I don't know if you can see it around here. Yeah, here. So these were confusing me. I was putting one of the small nozzles into there and it wasn't pumping. So I got around it in the end, but there you go. But overall, very impressed. So me and Lee have got a few sessions booked up in the next few months. A couple big ones, couple fun ones. We're hoping to catch one of us catch a 30 this year, or both of us. Be ideal.